welcome to our channel. So this is Ipsy.
And this is Ashley.
And today we're going to be make some reverse challenge. Like reverse challenge.
Reverse slime challenge. Yeah.
But before we start with the challenge, follow us on Instagram, on Snapchat, and subscribe. Subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which type of challenges do you want us to do next. Yeah.
Yeah, and smash the subscribe and thumbs up everything y'all can. Yeah. Until y'all break your phone or tablet or whatever it is.
Not actually, guys.
Yeah.
But make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below which type of comment do you want us. Comment down below which type of challenge do you want us to do next. So let's go on with the video. Yeah. Guys, what we're gonna be using for this challenge, number one is protection, which is just basically this wood hanging door thing.
Just
It says girls only, no boys allowed. It's just to protect the desk. Number two, some glue.
Number three, optional.
It's some food coloring. Number four, a bowl.
A bowl.
So I'm gonna be using this one, and my sister's gonna be using this one. I let her borrow that one, so I'm gonna be using this one. We're gonna be using a mixing tool. So number three, this one's my mixing tool.
I have another mixing tool actually.
She's just gonna bring it in. So yeah, next is we're gonna have to start this. For this one, we don't have real pink containers here. Go get the borax in now. So the first step is get our cup or little thing to get, and then add the borax in, and then stir in. Okay, let's do the first step.
Where's my container?
Stir, I'm stirring. No, not in the container. It's, wait a sec. Yeah, it's, first we need to make our activator. So first we stir in our activator. Add some borax to our activator. Actually, guys, I think we are going to have to mix in the activator. Next step would be adding some water. So I'm going to lay you out here.
For some reason, it's like open in here.
So guys, y'all know that it isn't gonna work if we don't stir it in. So we need to stir it in totally. So I'm stirring it in, and it's good. Okay. Next step is adding in an activator. So we don't want to add way too less or wait. Hey, you drew some on my floor. You need to pick it up. So it's not adding way too much or way too less. So
we have to stir first.
This is how much I added it, and okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and
next step is adding.
You have to wait for me.
Stirring it.
This much.
Stirring. Next step will be adding some coloring. So some glue.
No.
Yeah, because we usually we
usually
coloring.
put the
So it's complicated, guys. I'm gonna put barely any. Okay, now it's time to stir it up.
This looks so cool.
I know. Look at mine. Okay, next step would be adding the glue. So it depends how many glue I have to add in here. It just depends.
I'm not gonna add that much glue, but I am.
I added way too much activator, so. Oh wait, I can't stir yet because I need to make sure I add enough glue. So I need to add a bit more, y'all guys.
I think I need a bit more too.
Okay, go. And I think this should be around enough because then it's not gonna be able to be enough activated.
At the end, if it's not that good, we're gonna see who wins, and then at the end
we could fix it. And But that'll be something else without recording, guys, because yeah.
It's not that fair.
Yeah.
I'm just saying my slime
Oh.
is not getting colored.
Mine isn't activating that much or getting colored neither. It's not even getting color. I guess because the water dissolved in all the color and
Oh. Oh no, I need more activated. Oh, I still have some activated right here.
so I need to stir it in so it kind of activates because this isn't working at all, guys, and the step was adding little by little.
Guys, if
it is hard.
If y'all like
Mine
hear
isn't
something,
that activate.
it's the TV.
Yeah, mine isn't that activating. Mine isn't activating. It's like glue, but a bit.
Over.
Mine is way too. Mine is way too sticky, and
Can you not touch it with your hands yet? See, it's kind of chunky. I've seen videos of
mine
this.
is barely
And it
chunky,
gets
but it's real sticky.
Like almost all the
It's not even
activators.
clicky at all. Oh,
I don't know how to fix this. Nope. I don't think activator.
wait, but can we like add little by little borax while we have the glue in there? Can we do that?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, we can, because at the end, most of the time, I always add a bit of glue. I mean, a bit of borax.
But we have to do it how it's actually, how normal slime do, not how we actually
Mine is
do
horrible, guys. So I totally lost already. And this is my horrible
Oh,
slime.
you need more borax?
Yeah.
No, we can't. I just maxed my slime out, my slime just now. Like, it was really good, and I added more activators, kind of over-activated.
So it's different. Hers is overactivated and mine is way not activated. So guys, this were slimes at the end of the whole
But we
video.
can add a little by little of glue. Because it's kind of like,
No, you can't. Because you can't neither.
yeah,
So I guess no one's the winner.
well, mine's a little.
Mine is our both is like slime, but mine is probably like igloo. My sister's is mostly like putty. You see? Hey, stop it, stop!
I like
You're gonna
it,
get it all
it's just-
messy.
It's just really
Okay.
thick.
Ah!
What? Oh,
She's so messy, guys, with slime. I don't like her playing with my slime.
no, I'm really messy with your slime.
Okay.
Your slime.
So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. No one was the winner, but comment down below.
But mine's better.
Who do you
I could
think
at
is the
least
winner?
touch it with the hand like that.
I could too, but at least I could stretch mine. Look.
I could stretch mine too. What are you talking
Barely any.
about?
So I don't know who's the winner, guys, because I don't know who's the winner. So comment down below who do you think is the winner. Okay, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Well,